Hi class, welcome back. So, today I would like to start the class with a question. What is a part of speech? Any ideas? Nouns? Verbs? Yes, these are all parts of speech. But what does it mean to be a part of speech? What is a part of speech? What do you think? So, after this discussion, I think we all agree on one thing. Parts of speech are different jobs that words can do. And just like humans, words can also have more than one job. For example, I'm an English teacher, but I'm also a truck driver. Rock is a noun, but it's also a verb. So, how do we know what part of speech a word is doing right now? Well, you have to look at context. If I'm in my truck, I'm probably a truck driver. But if I'm in the class, I'm probably being an English teacher, right? So it's the same for words. You gotta look at what's around them, the context, and then it's much easier to figure out which part of speech they're acting as right now. So we'll have a look at that later. But for now, let's take a look at 4 major parts of speech in the English language. Nouns, pronouns, verbs, and adjectives. Are you ready? Let's do it. So, the first part of speech we're going to look at today are nouns. So, what's a noun? Anybody have an idea? A thing, a place, a person? That's right, okay? A noun is a word that identifies a person, a thing, a place, or a concept. What are some examples of this? Yeah, t-shirt, window, computer, cell phone. These are all nouns. That's very good. Okay, let's see. Can you find the nouns in this sentence? That's right. Nouns and sentence. Good job. Now, let's take a look at noun phrases. Sometimes nouns like to hang out in gangs with some other words. We call this noun phrases. Here's an example. In this sentence, we can find 2 noun phrases. The tree has many apples. The tree is one noun phrase, and many apples is a second noun phrase. So, how do you know if it's a noun phrase? Here's how. A noun phrase can always be replaced by a pronoun. So what's a pronoun? Let's find out. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or a noun phrase. Examples are me, you, she, it. So, nouns and pronouns act like a team. When one is too tired, the other takes his place. Can you use a pronoun? Try to use a pronoun in this sentence. Anyone? That's right. Anna is going somewhere, but she forgot her book. Good job. So, as we said before, pronouns can replace nouns or noun phrases. Really, they can replace them. This sentence contains 2 noun phrases. Try to replace them with pronouns. Yes, that's right. It contains them. Good job. Now, let's have a look at verbs. What are verbs? Any idea? Words that represent actions. That's very good. Yes. Conditions, states of being. Verbs are words or phrases that describe an action, a condition, or an experience. What are some verbs that you know? Yeah. Smile, walk, run, study, learn. These are all examples of verbs. That's very good. Good job. Verbs are actors. They often change their clothes when they have to play a different scene. For example, here's the verb to work, a very famous actor. Look at all the clothes he can put on. The last category of words we're going to look at today are adjectives. So, what are adjectives? Well, adjectives are words that you can use to describe pronouns, nouns, or noun phrases. Examples of these could be colors or numbers. Adjectives are a bit like artists. They can make your language more colorful and interesting. Try to use adjectives to describe this painting. Gloomy, dark. Very good job. Okay, so what do you think? Is it easy to identify the different parts of speech? Let's find out. Everyone grab your cell phones. We're gonna have a Kahoot game. That's right. I created a test on this interactive online platform so that I can test your understanding of the concepts. So all you have to do is go to this address and enter this code. Then you will be able to join the game. And the winner is going to get some chocolate. That's right. Now the students will play the game. The teacher will pause the game when he sees that the students are struggling with a particular question, like this. Alright, I can see this question was difficult for some of you. So let's pause the game for now. And let's take a look at this together, okay?